Hello friends, I am your host Poonam and welcome to JENISHA Online Show. Friends, today I will review Kajrare Bindi. So let's start today's video. As you are seeing on the screen, this is the front side of the product. Now I will show you the closest view. Kajrare Bindi. This is the closest view. Now let's see how does the product look like from the back side. So let's turn it. This is the back side of the product. Now I will show you the closest view. One stapler pin, second stapler pin. This is for closing and opening the bindi. Okay. Now let's see close view. Kajrare Bindi, Akshitam Products, Mumbai, India. This is the closest view. You can see a rectangular type shape here. So this was the closest view of the product and the back view. Now again I will turn it and again we have come back to the front side. In this bindi there are, see this side, this is for opening and closing the bindi. Now I will show you the inside view of the product, that how does the product look like from inside. So let's check out. For this we have to open the bindi. We have opened the bindi. Now from inside we have to check out how does the product look like, the beautiful colors. You can see beautiful colors, light pink, rani color, dark green, blue color, green, yellow color. Okay, all colors are here. Now let's see the closest view once. How beautiful the colors are. And inside the bindis are here, colorful bindis, and upwards one stone, silvery colored stone has applied, which gives a tremendous look to the bindi. See, beautiful colors, sky blue, orange. More close view, just wait. See the more clear view. You can wear this bindi with your sari, with your suit, with jeans also. Whenever you go out on any occasion, special occasion or normal day. So friends, you can see. So friends, this was today's video, and in today's video I reviewed beautiful bindi which has the name given Kajrare Bindi. If you like today's video and want to watch more such type of interesting and especially product related videos, subscribe to JENISHA Online Show. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in our next video.